Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix stuck on loading screen just as you see here. Let's jump right into the video. So this is how to fix the loading screen. So you just click, you find in your documents and you will go to the right to the search bar and type in Valorant. Then you will see this document Valorant.exe, and from here on you right click on it and you click on properties. In Netherlands it's eigenschap, in English it's properties. And here you will see compatibility in English. So you first click on this one, optimization for full screen, turn off. So and then you click on apply and then on OK. And then you will start, for now I don't do it because it works for me, but then you have to restart the game and wait a couple minutes and then go into a game and see if it's still stuck. If it is still stuck, there's another solution. We just go back to the file, click on properties again, click on compatibility, turn this one again off, and then you will click on run as administrator. So you click on apply again and OK. And from now on you close the game again and restart it and wait a couple minutes again and see if that works. For me that one works. So and I have one last solution that could maybe work. For now I turn it off because for me it's already working. So click on OK. So the last thing you can do is go to your Riot Games and Valorant map and go to live and delete these two. And then, okay, I'm going to get them back, but you delete them. And then you restart the game and then you click on F11 and it will open the game in small window, and that's actually how to get it off the loading screen, off the stuck loading screen. So that's actually how to do it. Thank you for watching.